Today we are going to be putting 3 microfiber cloths to the test. We are going to be putting from expensive to premium to basic. I was in need of microfiber cloths. I went to Amazon to look around to see what they have. They have a variety of different microfiber cloths on their site. I decided to look at the reviews, and these are the 3 that I chose to purchase to see how they compare against each other. And does expensive mean better? So that is what I'm going to be putting to the test today. So one of the rags that I got was just an Amazon Basic. 24 in a pack, cost me $10.48. It claims it is streak, lint, and scratch free. It will work on all surfaces from glass to mirrors to windows, countertops, stoves, refrigerators, anything that you need to clean, this will clean. The second one that I purchased from Amazon based on the reviews was from the Rag Company. This is a 6-pack, comes in blue. It costed me $13.25. This also claims that it is streak-free, lint-free, and scratch-free. Just add water, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to be adding water to this, and it will clean multiple different surfaces from your glass, windows, countertops, mirrors, you name it. We're going to be testing these cloths on. The third one that I have is from Norwex. This is also claims that it is streak-free, lint-free, scratch-free. 2-pack for $18.99 is my most expensive. Good reviews on this, why I bought it. This is also good for your mirrors, glass, countertops, anything that you need to clean, this is good for. So let's put all of these rags to the test and see if expensive is better or which rag works the best. I wanted to know if all microfiber cloths really clean the same, so today I'm testing 3 different microfiber rags on some of the messiest kitchen spills possible. On these countertops, I've got peanut butter, jelly, mustard, and maple syrup. Basically, a nightmare combination for cleaning. What I'm paying attention to are 3 things: how fast it cleans, how much pressure I have to use, and whether it leaves streaks behind. Honestly, one of these microfiber rags surprised me way more than I expected. Now the mirror test, and this is my favorite. This is the reason why I bought the microfiber cloths in the first place, because I wanted a designated rag just for the mirrors. And honestly, one of the rags surprised me with the mirrors. Next, I wanted to show you how dusty my the glass top on my dresser is. It's super dusty that I can even write my name in this dust. Super embarrassing, but I wanted to have some dust around the house so that way I can showcase these rags for you guys. First rag we're going to be testing on the glass top that sits on top of my dresser is the Amazon Basic. The next rag we are going to be testing, it is from the Rag Company, the blue microfiber cloth. And the third one that we are going to be testing is Norwex. Now this is just for the dusting. I wanted to test all 3 of these rags on the dust as well. Next, I wanted to test the Amazon Basic just with water on that glass top that sits on my dresser. Next, we are going to be testing the blue microfiber rag from the Rag Company just with water. After testing all 3 microfiber rags on the different surfaces that I tried them on, which one did I like the best? Well, they all 3 do a pretty good job, but I will tell you, the Rag Company and Amazon Basic did the best for me on the different types of surfaces that I tried them on. The Rag Company did a better job on the countertop than Amazon Basic with the peanut butter, jelly, mustard, and the maple syrup. When it comes to the mirrors, the Rag Company did a better job on that mirror as well, in my opinion. And that is why I chose to get some microfiber rags from Amazon, because I was looking for just a rag for mirrors. And when it comes to the dust off of the glass top that I tried them on, they all 3 did a pretty good job with the dust. I do believe that the Amazon Basic did a better job with that dust and when I wiped it. Now, I only used water on all 3 rags, so I used no cleaning products at all. It was just water on all 3 rags. So you are going to watch the videos, so you'll be the judge of which one you like the best on the different surfaces that I was trying them on. So in my opinion, the Rag Company does come out on top. I do like that rag, so I will continue to use it, and I'm going to use all of the rags because I bought them. So, but if you are looking for a rag, you cannot go wrong with the Rag Company or the Amazon Basic. Now, the Norwex did a good job on the dust, but it is a different material. So if you have never used that rag, it is different than the Amazon Basic and the Rag Company's rag. The material is different than a regular microfiber rag. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and let me know in the comments which microfiber rags you like the best. I always love hearing your feedback, and I will try some of your products or your feedback, your techniques in future videos. Just leave it in the comment and I will pick and choose which videos to film from your comments. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.